How to see Netflix password on phone. Let's get started. With the Netflix app, you won't find your password, but you can use your device settings and browser to get the Netflix password. Firstly, launch your settings. If you're on iOS device, you will be able to find the password if you have saved it. For that, head towards the option Apps. From the list of the apps, find the app password. Once you find it, open it. Now scroll down, click on the option Open Passwords. Your Face ID will be enabled or you'll be prompted to enter your passcode. After you type in, you'll be directed to this page. Now clicking on the option of All, you're gonna find the website name along with the password. You'll also find the option of Netflix if you have saved it. Clicking on the option of Netflix, you're gonna get the username likewise password. Next thing, likewise, you can check on the Google browser. For that, launch your Chrome. Now click on three dots given at the bottom right. Select the option of Manage. Select the option Password Manager. Your Face ID will be enabled or you will be prompted to enter your passcode. Once you type in, you will be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of the website link along with the password. In this list, you might find the option of Netflix if you have saved it. So these are the ways to see Netflix password on phone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.